Hello and welcome to the channel. This video focuses on 3 years of ownership of the original AOVO Pro E-Scooter. AOVO Pro sent me this scooter just over 3 years ago now, and there's been a few modifications that I've needed to make to keep the scooter on the road. I hope you find this video useful. In terms of modifications, this is the first modification that was required. The original AOVO Pro throttle was sticking, not particularly safe as you were coming up to roads, junctions, etc. So this £10 throttle, a link is in the images as you will see, replaced the original throttle. Slightly different design in that it's got a flat section here, the whole thing doesn't move around and it works really effectively. Really nice, neat and tidy at the back there, as you can see. The bell still continues to work really effectively. The brakes, I haven't had to change the rear brake pads at all, they've continued to be used. Just in terms of different ride modes, you will see that it's still working really effectively. It's in sport mode at the moment, eco, just cycling through the different modes. The front light still working really effectively. This locking mechanism was upgraded at a later stage by AOVO Pro, but in this original form the locking mechanism looked like this, with a safety catch at the front, the scooter folded down as so. And if you've seen my other video that focuses on how to improve the click, there is a very satisfying click which keeps the locking mechanism folded as so. If you own an AOVO Pro, you will know that the scooter comes with solid tyres rather than pneumatic tyres, and you can see the wear on the tyres is as so on the front and on the rear. After some considerable miles, the battery was also replaced, so this compartment has been off. You will see that linked in my other videos on my channel. The battery replacement is obviously the most expensive part of the scooter. The battery cost about £95 and I replaced it probably about 18 months ago now, and it's been faultless ever since. So if I just cycle through the different modes, this is eco, sort of 8-9 miles an hour. Let's move into sport mode, travelling uphill at the moment. And we're on to about 30 miles an hour, very windy today. And we're into sport mode, which normally tops out at about 19 miles an hour. So you'll know that there's a functioning app with the AOVO Pro e-scooter, still supported to this day, and all of the functions are available through the app in terms of locking and unlocking the scooter. Again, cycling through the different modes, eco, slow and sport. The headlights can be switched on and off using the app as well, as can the cruise control settings. Tend not to use cruise control and much prefer to use the throttle. So yeah, into sport mode now and coming out onto a piece of level road and 18-19 miles an hour top speed. More than plenty. So, I hope you found the video useful. 3 years of AOVO Pro ownership, and as you will have heard, main changes required were a upgrade to the throttle and also a replacement battery. Please do subscribe to the channel, it would help me out so much. The last time I checked, something like 99.8% of people who would watch my videos were not subscribers, so please do click the subscribe button, it would help me out massively. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.